All right, it's day 11 of day trading the pre-market. So we have big move here on BKYI. Let's see what happens today. News dropped at 4 a.m. about 2 hours ago. And us traders are able to trade now. So let's see if this thing starts buzzing a little bit. It's at 2, topped out 213. No great volume yet. Stalling out a little bit here. Buyers getting eaten at 2. All right. Got my scans going. Oh, I haven't seen this one yet. SASOHO. SOHO. No thanks. Alright, gonna wait here. CLICO. I've seen that already. Nothing too impressive there. Alright. So we'll be looking for fresh news here then. As BKYI is kind of rolling over for now. If anybody caught my part 2 on Friday, we did end up Friday being profitable by like 40 something bucks. Red on the week about 45 bucks. So, I might take this over too if this candle keeps going. But I need to stick to, I gotta stick to the pre-market plan is basically wait till news and fire on all cylinders until MACD rolls over. I'm not a huge fan of the continuation plays at the moment. I find those to be a little difficult even when the setups are okay last week. Buyers stacking up at 190 there. Nope. Maybe. This thing's struggling now. I'll start with this big old wick. Bummer. Not seeing any new news. There's news. NLSP. News announces strategic collaboration between whatever. Okay, got strategic collaboration news here. Tried to take the 1 minute to make a new higher there, and I got hit. Feel up at 65. Switching gears. Why did I get filled it there? I want this trade to hurry up. I want to switch gears to BKYI. Half off. All off. BKYI. I was going to try to add 3 VWAP there, but it kept hitting its head. Good trade. Gotta get rid of these. All right, 84. I got smacked on the top of this wick last time, so I'm gonna let that do its thing. The 30-day moving average is at 190, which is obviously just past this 184, so that's kind of interesting. All right, let's chill out for a little bit. This is struggling. Really needed to break through highs and kind of set up a new flag here. Stock market is crazy. I feel like I'm getting sick. Gotta power through though. Lower bands and make it dance. That was a good lower band again. No new news drops. I feel good about this, like discipline wise, because you right off the bat hit this candle to make a new high. Because I mean, who am I to know how high the stock is going, right? So hit that right here. It says 71, but I think I also tried to play VWAP. So that's just averaging them. But my first trade was the 1 minute to make a new high through there. That didn't work. Second trade, I guess, was VWAP. pullback. I'd have to look. Lower band bounce, bear trap, and that's it. So, news hit and I started firing. That's exactly what I said I needed to do. Went red quite a bit right out of the gate. Wasn't flustered. Wasn't, didn't bother me. Just stuck to the plan. MACD looking at an inflection point and it's rolling over. BKYI, I mean, it's tough because it seems to be so thickly traded. The only decent thing about that when it's thickly traded, I mean, when it kind of hovers around the price. Like if I set my max L at, unless you get caught in a nasty wick, 190. If it's thickly traded, I might show 189 for a little bit before it moves down a few more cents. NLSP getting hit, 200-day moving average. It's nice though. I mean, I think this thing's bouncing like 10 cents every time it bounces. It was here, here. I think NLSP might be cooked. All right, baby. Let's go BKYI. Bounced right off too. Okay. See if it gets through two. Not loving through two because of these wicks, but Like, not loving this area right here. But we'll see if it makes a new high. Maybe we take a pullback to 213 or something. It's a good move. Well, yeah, it's okay. 9 cent move. 2 to 209, but it got wicky there. Had to be quick. Oh, news. Oh man, hate this stock. JZXN. What? I don't get it. I don't get why some of these stocks are the ones that always move. It's because they always have the pumpy PRs because the company's usually garb. Partners with SOLV Foundation on 2.8 billion TVL Bitcoin initiative to advance crypto treasury strategy. Yeah, that's the pumpy PRs we've been seeing. That's interesting. Very little sell volume. Look at that. It's not even moving. The algo is just picking up that crypto treasury strategy and immediately sent that from 38 cents to 48 cents. All right, interesting candle here. So slow. Very little shares traded on it. Not even, just barely over 500,000 so far. Moving. BKY. It's moving. It's moving. It's moving. Smacked off of highs. This curl's looking decent though. Look at this. Maybe we wait for a candle to close right around that area and then try to hit the next pop through. A little higher low action. Get smacked off it. I don't want you to go yet. Thank you. Alright, I don't want you to fall under 2 either though. No. Hold 2. Hold the line. Hold the line. Hold the line. Doji. We're okay with dojis. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 9. New minute. Okay, I wanted that candle obviously to go in the other direction. Candle's okay if it's holding 2. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. New minute. A lot of green there at 205. Green at 204. Interesting. I didn't see any red there when it went from 205 to 204. That's interesting. Look at that green. And then it's down to 203. A lot of red at 202 though. It's kind of stalling out here, isn't it? Bummer. That's a shame. What did I trade over here? Oh yeah, NLSP. Oh, interesting candle. Let's see what it looks like from back here. Okay. JZXN, I'm just, I feel like it can't be trusted yet. Maybe it goes, who knows? Oh, rhyming today. He's rhyming today, son. They just dropped another PR 621. 1 minute, no, like 20 seconds ago. All right, there's 1 minute to make a new high. Okay. Set a new high. Break 214. Not yet. I don't want that to happen yet. I want to try to get in on the break of 214. So I don't want it on that one big candle. I could do maybe one more candle if this thing stays above. If it stays above EMA and does one more candle and the open of the next candle is around 210, I might try it. There's 210. No. Oh, tough breakout. 1 cent breakout, 2 cent breakout. So we get for being so thick, boy. Alright, JZXN, are you really going to do something here? You're now over 1 million shares traded. You just had another PR with different buzzwords. Bitcoin focused treasury. We know the treasury has been, the crypto treasury is definitely buzzed. Very fascinating that the sell volume is that low out of all those candles. Very fascinating. I don't like trading penny stocks, but I might have to. It's 50. Ooh. Okay, not a great looking candle there. Don't have great options between BKYI and JZXN. Bid and ask at dead even at 50. Now dead even at 49. There's 51 on the ask. 50-50 again. $51.51. There's 52. 53. Million shares traded in that candle, the last candle. What's up with this? Sellers afraid of these PRs or what? Not more good volume. More good volume. Another million shares. Where's the pullback? I haven't even decided if I want to trade this yet. I would take a shot probably if this candle went to 50. Not low enough. In a minute. There's the selling volume. All right. I think we've kind of run our course today. NLSP, we're up 29. Bone Thugs and Harmony. Starting the week off green. So news hit. We fired at the 1 minute to make a new high. We fired again at that was a losing trade. I got pretty much top ticked. Fired again at VWAP, somewhere around there. Fired at lower band. Fired at the 1 minute to make a new high. VWAP bear trap there. And that was it. Adios. Spread love, be good to each other. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Drop a comment, drop a like. Let me know how y'all did. And let me know if you guys hit a nice runner and at what time frame it's happening. Last week, bigger news drops are happening at 7 a.m. I have a hard time trading the 7 a.m. news hour. But let me know. Adios. Peace.